how to get the Etsy cha-ching sound when someone buys something from your shop. What you would need to do is open the Etsy seller app. And then once you open Etsy seller, you want to go to the bottom right and click on more. After you click on more, you're going to scroll down through your shop settings until you see account and app settings. So keep scrolling until you see account and app settings. And then you want to click on notifications. And under notifications, you want to select the option when someone buys something from my shop, and make sure that's set to on, and then click the right arrow for more information. So under Sold Order Messages, first of all, allow notifications should be set to on, and then Sold Order Messages should be alert. And you want to scroll down until you get to the actual sound that's going to be played. And in this case, it has a different sound that's selected, which is Navi. So you want to click on sound and take the default here where it's asking you to complete action. Select the first app, which is the default app called Set Sound Picker, and select just once. And once you select that, you want to scroll down until you see the Etsy cha-ching option. Select that, and then hit the back arrow, the left arrow, and you can see right here that the Etsy cha-ching is selected. And you can go ahead and back out of this and go back to the main page. And that should be it. Next time that you receive a sale in your shop, the Etsy cha-ching sound should play. If it doesn't play, you can go back here and see, make sure that it's still set to show that sound is played when someone buys something from you. Okay, that's it. Thank you.